Welcome to Market Peeker. Ever had a trade go sideways because of a sudden market move? Staying on top of economic news can help you avoid surprises. Today, we're talking about the economic calendar, a powerful tool that shows upcoming events likely to impact currency pairs. Let's dive into how to use it to your advantage. An economic calendar lists scheduled releases like GDP reports, employment numbers, and central bank announcements. These events can create volatility in the Forex market, which means both risk and opportunity. Knowing when they're happening lets you plan your trades, avoid risky times, or even position yourself for potential gains. Here's how to use it effectively. Select your currency pairs. Most economic calendars let you filter events by currency. If you're trading EUR/USD, you'll want to watch for major US and Eurozone reports like inflation rates or job numbers. Focus on high-impact events. Events are often marked by impact level or low, medium, or high. High-impact events like Federal Reserve meetings can move the market dramatically, so keep an eye on these and consider adjusting your strategy accordingly. Check timing. Economic calendars usually display events in your local time. Knowing the exact time of a release helps you prepare. For example, if a high-impact event is set for 9 a.m. EST, you can decide whether to avoid that time or position yourself for potential movement. Plan your trade. Let's say you see a major news release coming up in a few hours. You might decide to sit out the market until the report drops or set up a stop loss to limit risk if volatility spikes. Using an economic calendar isn't just about avoiding risks. It's also a way to spot opportunities. Some traders actively seek out times with high volatility to capture big moves. Whether you're avoiding or targeting those moments, the calendar helps you stay informed. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Let us know in the comments if you use economic calendars in your trading strategy or have questions.